YouTube channel is again with you, and we are discussing the MBBS admission process in Aga Khan University and in Pakistan. Even the PMDC today has declared or notified that the first week of the September will be the MDCAT or Medical and Dental College admission test in Pakistan, and the provinces and the admitting universities will be instructed according to them, and the syllabus has been notified as the same in 2023. So this is a good news that the syllabus is not changed, so the format will not be changed. The Aga Khan test is earlier than I hope the National University of Medical Science will also have its own date, but the main MDCAT, which is Medical and Dental College test in Pakistan, will be in first week of September. So hopefully the students who are appearing in the final or the FSC part 2, which is inter last year, or the final year, so they will be preparing not only for their board examinations, but they will spare time or join some academy, or there are resources online so that they can prepare themselves for the upcoming medical admission test. Medical is nowadays a dream degree, particularly MBBS, BDS, and many students, they feel that if we are not selected in the medical science or in the MBBS course or BDS course, that will be a great setback in their life, and even the families, they feel that our children are not up to the mark, or they are not a hard worker, or there is some deficiency in their management or in the grooming. And lot of academies online, as well as in every small and medium city, the tuition centers or the MDCAT preparation is one of the flourishing or growing business in Pakistan. And the medical degree is since ancient time, or since many times, a dream degree in the medieval years as well as in the current situation. Though the medical science is changing very fast, and now the MBBS degree, which was medicine and surgery, now the fields of the surgery is now divided into not only the knife surgery, but laser surgery, phaco surgery, as well as the robotic surgery. So that kind of 50s, 60s MBBS degree will not work now, and even the same curriculum is being taught in the medical colleges. Even the artificial intelligence and information technology and telemedicine is least discussed even in the medical conferences, or even in the medical curriculum, and even in the PMDC. So that was a brief introduction. Coming to the continuation of my last video, MDCAT or the Aga Khan University admission test has scientific reasoning portion and mathematical reasoning portion. So we were discussing mathematic reasoning portion, and yesterday I discussed that there is a website in Aga Khan which will give you the medical college admission, and then if you will scroll down, you will come to the list of various resources in which curriculum or syllabus, frequently asked questions, sample test paper. Their key is also available, but practicing resources are there where key is not available, but you will have at least 50 questions of every section, whether it is biology, whether it is chemistry, physics, as well as the mathematical reasoning. So today I will discuss the practice resources, and question number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 up to the 23 and give you a gist of that what these questions are asking. The first question, which is so the question which are in the resource or in the practice questionnaire are MCQs. Because this test paper will have 20 questions from the mathematical side, 20 from the scientific reasoning or various analytical reasoning, and then the portion of the scientific which physics, chemistry, biology, and the negative marks are in the physics, chemistry, biology section, which is almost 60 questions. But in the last 40 questions, you will not have a negative marking. So the first question is that in a class of girls, boys, the arithmetic mean is 44.3 inches. What is the average boys and girls? So if you know the arithmetic mean, which is average, and there are given some options and you have to select the correct option, so you can work on these lines that how this question can be solved. So arithmetic mean should be your approach, that this comes as a question in our contest, and it is easy to calculate the average. Even 5th class, 7th class, 8th class mathematics will give you some kind of idea that how mean is calculated or average is calculated. Another question is, what is the cost of banana? If 7 mangoes and 9 banana cost 14.8 rupees, then what will be? And there are other options. Somewhere it is 5 bananas, 6 other things. So mangoes. So these are the questions you have to calculate. Then question number 15, 2 sacks of rice are at sale for the same price. Which is the best bargain? Suppose the option says that 54 plus the weight of that sack, and another is 60 kilo but 1/4 of the weight of the sack or that container. So what will be the better position, whether you will purchase the 54 plus sack weight and where the rice amount will be more? So these are the puzzles you can see and you can ask from your mentors. The question 16 says that Ali gives result of 2 classes in the boxes. Then they ask the class A performs better or class B performs better. So you have to see the graph, and where the graph gives you a better result, that can be so a careful look can give you some idea. The value of 7 divided by 3, this is a pure mathematical question. The option are given 2.33, which in my opinion is correct, but there are many other figures just like 84 and other things. So you have to be very expert in dividing and subtracting skills of the mathematics. Then 18 question is very interesting, which compares the Fahrenheit temperature with the centigrade temperature or F temperature with C temperature. A nurse has recorded the temperature of the patient and that temperature was 100.7. So what will be if you will convert into the centigrade, then it will be around 38 in the so you can have the conversion portion of the Fahrenheit and centigrade also. Then comes a graph which shows some kind of axis or coordinates, and there are certain points and then there are certain values, and it asks that what will be the coordinate, correct coordinate. Then question 20, which of the following is the least value? 1 upon 4, 3 upon 8, 2 upon 11. So that can be the question type in that test. 21 question says that the Parveen flips the coin and then moves the spinner or circular kind of movement. So what will be the probability? And there are certain options. So this is basically a question of probability. So you should have this kind of preparation. The last one is shopkeeper offers sales plus the tax, and whether you will pay first tax and then ask the discount, or you will get the discount first and pay the tax. So that will be a skill which says that which will be better or greater quantity, whether you will pay the tax and then ask the discount, or you will first ask the discount and then ultimately you can pay the amount and the tax. So these kinds of the questions are in the mathematical reason. We will discuss the other questions also with you. I am not expert in the mathematical reasoning, so I am not giving you, but I am giving you the idea that what is the format, what types of the questions, and what the preparation line of the students should be, so that they can have good marks in the Avahan. Hopefully you will be getting a better idea about the mathematical reasoning portion of the Avahan test. And Dr. Hussain Bashkolachi, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe it, share it, and in the comments, my idea is that the students who are applying, they should write their name, city, and if they have got some information, awareness from Dr. Hussain Bashkolachi channel, they should acknowledge it or mention it, so that we can understand, because my target is that 1,000 students from the province of Sindh and the Pakistan should apply due to the awareness created or information shared by the Dr. Hussain Bashkolachi YouTube channel. I have observed that the MDCAT number of candidate is 200,000. 50,000 appear in the National University of NUMS, National University of Medical Sciences, which is under the Army, and there are very few candidates which are appearing in the Aga Khan test. So please appear in the Aga Khan test with confidence, and there are certain important points that you should have a confidence, you should have a guidance, you should have familiarity with the syllabus, as well as you should have a practicing attitude, so that daily you can have a MCQ, and one is the full length paper practice. Take the full MCQ of all the portions, and in one go please complete it, so that you can calculate the time and your skills. I shall request to the government of Pakistan and government of Sindh, they should increase the seats of the medical colleges, because population is increasing, health problems are increasing, and we need to meet the WHO criteria that for 10,000 population, at least 10 doctors and about 30 other staff. So at present we don't have such number, we don't even have 5 doctors for 10,000 population. So with this I am ending and wishing you a good day from Hyderabad and from Pakistan, and there are international MDCAT centers as well as national centers, 11 in Pakistan, 14 in other countries. And if you are preparing the Aga Khan test, then you should be confident The parents as well as the students are encouraged, because this university is an international university and top ranking university, and your training and research as well as the patient experience will not be national, but it will be international. Thank you very much, Dr. Hussain Bushkolachi, once again saying goodbye and wish you good luck.